Come down. Jangan tu gaya Jose. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you, and this is about transportation, public transport in Istanbul. So here behind me, as you can see, is a queue. Behind me. So this is about this is another public transport. This is the board. So you use, and before actually we continue, let me tell you something. Before you go anywhere in Istanbul, you have to use this Istanbul card. Like you can actually get it from the top-up machines. You can get it, you buy it, it's like 10 lira, and then also you can also top up with it. So you can, this is what can help you to go into the paper, to go into the Metrobus, into the metro, the tramway, all public transport, you have to use this. Okay, so I'm going to show
Depending
you
on where you are
about
going, the ferry, there's a station departs from
it's called the
Eminönü to
Turkish.
Üsküdar and Kadıköy, that's in the Asian side. Also, there is one from Avcılar to Beşiktaş, different places. So depends on where you're going, and this is how inside the ferry looks like. I'll be showing you. Also, you can go up and in the open air, so you have the view of the sea. Who wouldn't want this kind of public transport? And only this is very cheap, guys. You just use your Istanbul card and ta-da!
Now we'll be going to the metro, and the metro line I'm in Hacı Osman. So this one is I'll take the one that goes from Hacı Osman to Mecidiyeköy, but this line actually goes, there's one from Yenikapı to Hacı Osman. There's also the line from Yenikapı to the airport, the old airport, that's Atatürk Airport. So guys, this is the metro. Guys, as usual, with my Istanbul card. Okay?
The Marmaray rail line is a line that runs from the Bosphorus under the Bosphorus Strait. So if you already know this or you don't know, Istanbul is located between two continents, that's the European side and the Asian side. So the Marmaray, you pass under the water. Yo guys, it's beautiful. Anyway, it's just dark outside when you're in the metro in the Marmaray, and then you look outside, it's just dark when you're passing under the water. And so anyway, the line runs from Halkalı on the European side to Gebze on the Asian side.
Hello guys, so there are also this kind of buses. This you also use the Istanbul card. Let me show you. You go there and you press it with your Istanbul card. So this, normally they have the direction where they are going, like you can see where they're going, they're written there.
The T1 tram line runs from Bağcılar to Kabataş and runs through the touristic area, Sultanahmet and other areas. This has got to be my favorite, the Metrobus, because it is fast. As the name suggests, Metrobus or Metrobus in Turkish, it has its own line, so there is no traffic. You will move smoothly. It has its own line, so it runs from Beylikdüzü to Zincirlikuyu in the European side, and it goes till Seoul to Cheshme in the Asian side.
So guys, after doing all that videos about public transport in Istanbul, now it's time to end this video. Thank you for watching the video.